Want to know how to sign proposals and close clients on the spot? Let's dive right in because this is one skill that can take your business to the next level. Whether you're in sales, consulting, or any other industry, knowing how to close a deal instantly is invaluable. First off, let's talk mindset. The key to closing on the spot is confidence. You have to believe in the value you're offering. If you don't believe in your product or service, the client won't either. So before you even meet with a client, make sure you're clear on the results you bring to the table. Now, when you're meeting with your client, start by understanding their pain points and needs. You don't need to spend hours on this, just a few minutes to really listen and grasp what they want. The quicker you get a sense of this, the quicker you can position your proposal as the solution they've been looking for. And you want to speak directly to their concerns. People are always more likely to buy when they feel understood. Once you've established that connection, move into your proposal with confidence. This is where most people go wrong. They either overcomplicate things or leave too much space for objections. The proposal should be simple, clear, and tailored to what the client needs. You don't need to present everything you offer. Just focus on the parts that solve their specific problem. Keep it short and to the point. When presenting your proposal, don't rush, but also don't drag things out. The longer you take, the more opportunities there are for the client to hesitate. Speak clearly and make it easy for them to say yes. As you're talking through the proposal, emphasize how it aligns with what they said they need. And now, here's where the magic happens. After you've presented the proposal, give them an easy way to sign on the spot. The key to this is having the right tools ready. That's why I highly recommend using our software, which is built specifically to streamline proposals and contracts. With this software, you can send proposals instantly, allow the client to review and sign online without any hassle. You've probably tried some of the most popular options out there, but this one is different. And the best part, I've got an exclusive free trial for you just for watching this video. You can find the link in the description below, so make sure to grab that if you want to follow along with what I'm showing. Now back to closing. Once the proposal is ready and easy to sign, all you need to do is ask for the sale. Don't wait for them to bring it up, take the lead. Say something like, "This looks good to you, right? Let's get this signed so we can get started." You want to create a sense of urgency, but in a non-pushy way. Clients are more likely to commit when you make the process smooth and effortless. If they hesitate, don't panic. Use their hesitation as an opportunity to reaffirm the value of your offer. But keep it quick and to the point. Ask if there's anything else that's holding them back and address it immediately. And remember, if you're using our software, the whole signing process can be done instantly, eliminating the back and forth that usually drags things out. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review the key takeaways. 1. Confidence is key. You must believe in your value to close on the spot. 2. Tailor your proposal to the client's specific needs and pain points. 3. Use simple, clear proposals that solve their exact problems. 4. Have a smooth, easy-to-use tool like our software to sign proposals instantly. 5. Ask for the sale and address any hesitations quickly. Don't forget, take advantage of that exclusive free trial to our software in the description below, and use it to make your proposal and signing process even easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.